Oh, here we go. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 333008. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jeffrey Ray Huff. Mr. Huff, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Huff, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Huff, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Huff?
Doing good, and you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Huff, you are represented in this case by your attorney, Thomas Burbank. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, Attorney Burbank, now I have before me, now you've met with Attorney Burbank, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, and in fact, you met with Attorney Burbank just a few minutes ago.
Yes,
Is that correct? Now, Mr. Attorney Burbank currently is in another court in a trial. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have before me, well, first of all, I have Mr. Kobe Hoffmeyer, who's Assistant District Attorney with the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. And Mr. Hoffmeyer, how are you doing?
How you doing, Judge?
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Hoffmeyer and Mr. Huff, I have before me a motion to forfeit the weapon in cause number 333008. Mr. Huff, let me do this here. Now, you have a right to have a record. That is, you have a right to have a court reporter to sit down and type everything that's being said. Do you waive that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Huff, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Forfeit. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that is titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Huff, before you signed and initialed this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that he went over?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Huff, in this document, you'll be forfeiting the weapon in this case. And the weapon will be forfeited to the Beaumont Police Department. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, state, is that correct?
That is, Your Honor.
Uh,
That is the state signature on there, on that motion, Judge.
okay, on the line right here where it says Assistant Criminal District Attorney.
That's my signature, yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the court is going to grant, well, you want the court to grant this motion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the court is going to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon, in this case, to the Beaumont Police Department. State, do you have an additional motion?
No, Your Honor. State rest.
Okay,
Other than the motion to dismiss, which is a part of the plea agreement in this particular case, Judge.
okay. Now, the state is also filed a motion to dismiss this case. And that the dismissal is for the forfeiture of the weapon that you have just forfeited to the Beaumont Police Department. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And your attorney went over this with you? Is that correct?
Yes, Your
And you
Honor.
understood everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the court is going to grant this motion to dismiss. The court has just signed this motion to dismiss.
The other ones were
Yeah,
dismissed.
it was other for the weapon, for forfeiture of the weapon.
Other, I apologize. I'm thinking.
Yeah, he's talking about on the motion.
Okay,
We not.
no problem. And the reason is forfeiture.
Right,
Ms. Glenda.
okay. So at this time, clause number 333008 is being dismissed. Mr. Huff, if you need a copy of the motion to dismiss, you can get a copy from the from the county clerk's office.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Huff, thanks for being patient with us.
Thank you.
You're free to go,
Yes, sir.
and you have a blessed day.
Y'all have a blessed one too.
Okay.
Did you